Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to create a mesh gradient editor where we can create new meshes. So say my mesh, and we can also generate code. And this code can be dragged and dropped into Xcode or anywhere else for that matter. Great, so let's get into it. So let's create a new project. Multi-platform app, although this will be primarily a Mac app. And I'm going to call this Meshify. Now, one of the challenges here is that we're working with colors, and SwiftData doesn't work very well with colors. So we're going to work with strings instead. And also for generating the code, it's better to work with strings. Okay, great. So we have our initial view. So I am going up here, and let's create a folder called models, or just model, and a folder called view. And within the view folder, let's create, say, main views. And also within the view folder, let's create supporting views. Okay, this will be just an initial setup. Now in the main views, let's first of all refactor and rename the content view. So I'm going to call this mesh editor view or main view. And let's create yet another file. So we are going to have a detail view. Okay, so let's create a new file, SwiftUI view. This should be in our main views. So this will be mesh detail view. Okay, and I didn't put these files in the main folder, so I'll drag them into the main views. Okay, and we have quite a lot of work ahead of us, so we'll slowly get into it, and we'll start with the model. Okay, so in the next lecture, we'll start talking about the model. Great, so have an amazing day and see you next time.